Welcome everybody to this installment of CNC WorkBench. This installment is about investigating array copy, two-sided machining, and how to create a folding box. Our project will be a router bit storage box. In this episode today, we will be talking about array copy, two-sided machining, the folding box, foam machining, creating and machining, assembly, and finishing our project. So sit back, enjoy yourself as we go to the shop to talk about machining our project. I would like to thank all of our sponsors, Ken Craft Company, the Woodworkers Candy Store, Next Wave Automation, the makers of the Shark and Piranha CNC machines, Crystal Lac Finishes, and Silverback Woodworking. Okay, we're now ready to run our spoil board pockets. The first thing we have to do is set up our 1/4 inch bit, go to plate, say OK, touch the bit to the plate, get the red screen, say OK again. Okay, we got our Z height set, so let's say OK to this, go to USB, go to our bottom spoil board pocket. Say next. No. Start. Okay, we're ready to do our V-bit carving on the other side. So I got my 90-degree V-carve bit in, and we are going to set the Z height. I've got my plate already there. All I have to do is go to plate, say OK, come up and touch the plate to the bit to get the red screen, say OK. We'll go down and touch. Now I've set my Z height. Say OK, and go to USB, go to top, number 1 router box profile, make sure we are the 90-degree bit, which we are, say to next, do not use, and we'll get ready to start it after we start our dust collection. do the last side. It's a 1/4 inch upcut bit. We're going to do a profile cut with it, so let's go ahead and set our Z height and get on with business. Hit plate, say OK, touch the plate, make sure we got a red screen, say OK. Say OK to accept the results. We'll start our dust collection and load the program. Welcome everybody to the router bit box front machining. The first thing we have to do is set our Z height. I've already put the bit that we're going to use, which is a 1/4 inch upcut bit, and I've also installed the material to the spoil board that we're going to use. It's 1/4 inch 5 by 20. So let's go ahead and set our Z height. Hit plate, say OK, touch to make sure we get a red screen, say OK, say OK, move the plate. Now we're ready to start dust collection and load our program. The program we're going to load is the router bit box front profile, 15 by 5, and it's a 1/4 inch bit, and its origin is the surface in the center. Go to next. We're not using virtual zero, and then we're ready to start our dust collection. Okay, welcome to the machining of our insert. Our insert is foam that I got from the big box store. It's a kneeling pad for a gardening kneeling pad. It's this high density foam, and this is what I'm using for our router bits to be installed in. And here's an example. This one happens to be blue, but we're doing a yellow one here. So let's get on with the machining, and the first thing we got to do is I've got a 3/16 upcut bit here, and we're going to zero it in. So go to plate, say OK, touch off, got a green or red screen, say OK. We have our depth adjustment, so our Z height is all set. Now we're ready to start our dust collection and load the program. Say OK, go to USB. We are going to go to router bit holder holes, material surface, 3/16 bit, go to next. We're going to run without virtual zero, go to start. thank you for watching Machining Our Project. I would like to invite you back for the finishing of our project in the next video. I would like to thank our sponsors, KenCraft, the Woodworkers Candy Store, Next Wave Automation, the makers of the Shark and the Piranha CNC machines, Crystalac Finishes, and Silverback Woodworking. Thank you for watching.